Dear students, now Mariam will teach you how to make sentence. Mariam, start please to make a sentence.
Nothing to write. Nothing to read. Nothing to color. Nothing to draw.
Speak loudly.
Nothing to drive. Nothing to sell. Nothing to buy. Nothing to cry. Nothing to laugh. Something to laugh. Something to cry. Something to draw. Something to drive. Something to brushing your teeth. No need to write.
লেখার দরকার নাই।
No need to read. No need to draw. No need to color. No need to laugh. No need to cry. No need to buy. No need to sell. Get down to sell. Get down to write. Get down to buy. Get down to read. Get down to buy. Get down to color. Get down to sell. Get down to laugh. Get down to cry. Stop crying. Stop laughing. Stop selling. Stop buying. Stop drawing. Stop coloring. Don't stop laughing. Don't stop crying. Don't stop fighting. Don't stop buying. Don't stop selling. Don't stop crying. Don't stop driving. Don't stop laughing. Start laughing. Start reading. Start writing.